All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And in this video, we are finally going to be doing some hard pulls in the Shelby GT350. If you have not been keeping up with the channel, here's the new setup. This is an ESS G3R head unit. We have the 115mm pulley on here, the G4 intercooler, and we're going to be seeing how it feels compared to the previous ProCharger D1SC. I got the go-ahead from Rob Shoemaker, so we're going to be doing a second gear hit as well as a third gear hit to see how the car feels. It should hook. I did 1 watt log in third gear starting at 2500 to 75, and as soon as it got in the boost, like the traction control light came on. But we have a 305/45 18 ET Street R on an 18x10 weld. The exhaust setup is Stainless Works 1 7/8 catless long tube headers with a 4 Performance X pipe, and then dump shaft to the X pipe. So the car is very loud. We're gonna see exactly how it feels. All right. Gotta wash the car, but we gotta dial it in first. Now I don't know exactly how much power the car is making with the G3R head unit and a 115mm pulley. I don't know why that dude was flashing his lights like crazy. But it should be around mid 800 horsepower. Obviously it's on E85. Come on now. I do hope my spot in Mexico is dead too. It will go ahead and go 5 space. I'm gonna drag you. I'm just gonna drag you a third gear hit. Right now it's like, oh my gosh, it's like almost 90 degrees outside. It's probably 90 out, or 88. My thermostat is not accurate, but I'm assuming the DA is 2000 or close to 2000. We'll see what it does. I wonder if it can go faster than the D1SC setup in 2K DA, pretty much 90 degrees out, than what the setup did at 50 degree air, like negative 800. I'm curious.
A few moments later.
Mach 1 right there. He's revving at me and shit. All right, almost to my little spot. The DA is 1600, so it's not as high as I thought, but it's triple what it was the last time I dragged the car. So this will be a good comparison. there's just too much traffic out tonight. I have no idea why there's this much traffic out, because it's never like this at this time. It doesn't make any sense. It probably has to do with the weather. So we're just gonna do a regular like hard pulls video. I'm not gonna drag in the car. I literally don't have the space to do it. There's too many cars, and I'm definitely not gonna be doing no hits when there's cars, you know, on my left, my right, people trying to come up behind me and stuff like that. Forget that. I mean, look at this. Like, who goes this way at this time? I don't understand. Like, there's too many cars out right now. I might try to do it like one more time, but like, Jesus, why are there this many cars out? Why? Go to bed. Go to sleep. I got cars coming up from behind me right now. Oh my God. And they're literally going under the speed limit up here too. Bruh. I'm getting joked right now, for real. I gotta be getting joked right now. Why are there this many cars out right now? Alright, y'all. No, I'm not gonna do it under the bridge. So the car is faster, obviously. I'll tell you that right now. I'll tell you that right now. That was my first hit in over a month. Wasn't the fastest shift, but the car is faster. I'm gonna save the draggy numbers for a different video, because I know I can get a much faster time. But the car is faster. This G3R is putting in work. It's putting in work. Putting in work. Oh man. That was third gear too. And I don't race the car from third gear. It's quick. It's definitely faster. I'll tell y'all that right now. And it did like throw the traction control light as soon as I get in the boost. It's quick. It's quick. It's quick. I don't know how much power it's making, but it's definitely making more power. Or the blower is just more efficient, one of the two. But it is faster, significantly faster. Because the D1SC would have probably ran 0.3 to 0.5 slower than what it did right now, which is a massive W, and this is not good air whatsoever. And I've been driving around for 40 minutes. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna do a second gear just to see how it feels. And I left at 60. I probably should have done I probably should have left at 50 mile an hour, honestly. It's faster. Oh my God. Oh my God. And I'm not just saying that. That caught me way off guard. Oh my God. Holy shit. Yo, this G3R is a fucking animal. That caught me off guard because it literally spun. Oh my God, it's an dude. I'm literally shaking. I was not prepared for that. This is exactly why you test. Oh my God. I'm gonna try another second gear hit. Obviously I'm not gonna do it under the bridge, but shift that one. I'm actually happy to report the car actually just went faster short shifting and kind of correcting wheel spin than it did at -800 DA with the D1SC setup. It's literally 86 degrees outside right now. I've been driving for probably an hour. It's like 1500 plus DA, and it went faster than it did with the D1SC setup in 50 degree weather, -800 DA. Think about that for a second. It went faster. It literally just went faster, spinning, short shifting, second hit, well, technically third hit, but second time doing a second gear 60, it literally just went faster when I had plenty of seat time with the D1SC setup. This car is going to go fours. I'm gonna call it right now. This car will go fours with one size lower of a pulley. What is this guy doing? Holy shit. That's a damn cop. All right, pulled over to let the car cool off, but so far, man, so far, I'm really happy with this G3R head unit. We just have the 115mm pulley on the car, and it's already significantly faster than the ProCharger setup, which is crazy. I'll make a separate draggy video, because I do want to get some runs in first. Y'all know how people are, but man, again, if you have a Shelby GT350, the G3R is the way to go. I'm not even on a small pulley. I'm on the 115mm pulley with ID 1050X injectors and dual booster pumps, and it's moving. Y'all saw what the ProCharger setup did on the channel previously, and I'm telling y'all, this is quicker. Ballpark estimate horsepower is probably right around 850. I think maybe a little bit more. I mean, the weather is pretty bad. It is spinning the tires, and it did draggy a time that I'm actually happy with. I cannot believe it's spinning the 305 45 18s. I was hoping it wouldn't, but damn. Whew. Imagine this car with the fuel system in like the 110 or like the 105 or even the 100. Oh my god, I'd have to get like Kel tracks. I'd have to go with a 17-inch wheel in the back with smaller brakes. I think we're literally going to be at the limit right now as far as traction. I think if I literally want to go ahead and pulley it down even more, number one, I would have to go ahead and get suspension, and also I think I'd have to get smaller brakes in the back to put it at 17, because this is probably where the 18s are not going to be hooking anymore. With a rear-wheel drive stick shift car, it's moving out. It's quick. All right, back at the casa. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, man. First hard pulls with the new ESS G3R setup with the 115mm pulley. Definitely satisfied so far. This kit is no joke and a W. So if you guys enjoyed, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna be able to make it a street car takeover, just for the fact that I got some work I gotta get done today, and it's gonna be cut incredibly close. So I'm gonna try, but if not, you know, all good. I don't wanna rush anything, and in all reality, I'll be able to get done what I need to get done here without actually having to drive 3 hours away. So it is what it is. Be safe out there, y'all. Deuces.